Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you very simple and delicious recipe. That's why we need chicken breast. First I cut the chicken breast is like that. It will be like that. Now I am making a sauce. Here I am using oyster sauce. It will be 1 tablespoon. If you have more chicken breast, so then you can add more. Now I am adding soy sauce. It's like 1 tablespoon. Here I am using black pepper. It's like half teaspoon. And then I'm adding oregano. It's a little bit. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon pure honey. Also 1 teaspoon vinegar. You can add here rice vinegar and mix it very well. In this recipe I need garlic, so here is some garlic. You can just smash it. And then I'm adding black pepper. This recipe is most important ingredients, black pepper. I'm adding like that. Mix it very well, and then I need to add olive oil, 1 teaspoon, and now I mix all very well. My sauce is ready. Here is my all chicken breast. Before fry, I need to marinate lightly with oil, corn flour, as much as you need. I'm adding like 1 or 2 tablespoons like that. Now I'm adding, here is black pepper, now here I'm adding my most favorite black pepper and garlic powder. In the fry pan I am adding oil. When the oil is so hot, now I am adding the chicken breast. When you see the both sides is light golden, so you think it will be done. In this recipe I need 2 onions, so I cut the onion like that. Here I'm cutting some bell pepper. It is red bell pepper, and also I have green bell pepper too. If you have more vegetable you can add, but I love um, bell pepper with this recipe, so I'm adding. Here is bell pepper. Here is green bell pepper. All is I'm cutting same like that. Same fry pan, I'm adding butter. When the butter is melt, I'm using here all of ingredients, the onion and bell peppers. In this time, I'm cutting the chicken breast like that. In this time, there is a vegetable is nice color, so I'm adding here sauce. Now I'm adding all chicken breast. Mix it very well. You can see it looks so yummy and the texture is like that. Now I am adding green onion. You can make this recipe for lunch or dinner. I'm making this recipe for my husband. He can take this dinner. Looks so yummy. You can make it in home. Like and subscribe this video and always stay with me. I love this.